Welcome to the room tour. First of all, this was my side of the bed. Both sides had USB ports and charging ports, and this is the desk with a chair, and they had a coffee station, a nice TV that my mom used the whole time. This was the mini fridge, and this was my mom's side of the room. And over here was the little walk-in closet. So much closet space. I really appreciated that. And that's my mom's stuff. She came before me. And then this is the mirror. Don't worry about the outfit change, I'll explain that later. And this is the bathroom, and I love a bathroom with brown features like this, especially on holiday, because it just gives like a very ambient, cozy vibe. Day one in Kasane. I arrived this morning and I am flipping exhausted because I am on basically no hours of sleep. Like, I'm tired, but my mom wants to start their day, so let's start their day. I also get it because we're only here for like 3 days, but honestly, if I could, I would sleep a bit longer. Anyway. Yes, they're real.
One steak is very nice. The other
Yo, I'm going out for dinner, same outfit. My favorite lip combo, MAC Antique Velvet. Okay, Kadima is.
Can I bring up a spray? Okay.
Chinese. Nah. Morning. Day 2. Time I'm assessing risk. About to leave. This is the outfit of the day. I actually like today's outfit because it's a chill day, but there's no plans, so I don't know what the hell we're doing. No lip combo, but I'm gonna do it in the car. Okay, so top from factory, cargo skirt DIY. I think there were shorts from Woolworths though. Belt from the mother, shoes from Bata, and the anklet is so invisible, but it's from Forever 21. Thrifted bag, jewelry, Woolworths, Lovisa, hand me down, Chinese store, Tempo. Those stores like Kobe Game City and them. Mother, Chinese store. Okay, bye. And I'm finishing this coffee for my brekkie. My stomach is gonna hurt so bad. And I'm taking this. It's my swimming day bag. Okay. Okay.